Well, it's Christmas in July. We just received our new TireMinder tire pressure monitoring system for our motorhome. And today we're just going to open up the box, take a look at it, and install it, and hopefully everything will work just fine. They say it's one of the easiest ones to install. I need that help, so here we go. Let's take a look. Once you open the box, this is what you get. You get your monitoring system, and we needed 10 receivers, so we got the 10 pack. You can get them anywhere from 4 on up, and it will work up to 20 receivers. Comes with the batteries and all the accessories you need. So to get started, you hit the center button on your TireMinder once. That turns your system on. Once you have it turned on, you press both buttons on the outside, hold them down, and it takes you into the L mode, which is the learning mode for your tire pressure monitoring system. Right now, I have it's flashing for the front tires. We're working on the rear tires. So you can just change that to the other front tire. I'm working on this one. So this is I'm setting this for the outside driver's side tire. Take your transmitter. You'll hear a little air coming out. Then that's it. And now it is showing the tire pressure of your tire, 98 pounds. What I'm going to do next is click on the button on top. Now it is set for my inside tire on my RV. Now I'm taking the second transmitter, putting it on the inside tire. And just like that, it shows me the pressure of the inside tire ready to go. It's as simple as that. You do that for all of your tires. You set it up for also, we pull a Jeep. You can add 4 more on the Jeep tires as well, so you can monitor all 10 tires, 6 on your RV, 10 on your Jeep. It will monitor up to 20 tires at one time. Now that I've done the other 2 side tires, I move to this side of the truck and push the top right button again, which moves it to that tire. And that would be the inside tire on the RV. So I find the inside tire. You hear a little air coming out. That's normal. Screw it on. And there it is. I don't know if you can see it on that, but it is flashing for that tire. Push the button one more time. It is going to my outside tire right now. Oops. Put it on, and if you can see it, it is flashing. That tire is set and good to go. I have all 4 of my rear tires already set on this. Next I have to do is do this on the front tires and on the Jeep, and it is ready. Once you get all of your sensors on your rig, then you're going to want to hook up the repeater, which actually helps send your signal from, if you're towing a Jeep, it's maybe not quite strong enough to get all the way to the front of your RV. This repeater helps boost the signal from your towed vehicle up to your TireMinder receiver that is inside your cab or inside your pickup or whatever. It's very simple to mount. Underneath, it comes with some zip ties. Hook it up underneath to some place where it's not going to be in the way. Put your zip ties on it, mount it underneath, run your wires up through the bottom of an opening in there, clip them on your battery terminal That's it. It's simple as that, that you don't need to have any other programming or anything else. Just clip it to your battery, mount underneath with the zip ties, and you're good to go. Okay, again, after I aired up all the tires to their recommended pressure, before I put the TireMinder sensors on, and same way with the RV, they come with a locking nut that you put onto your tire stem. Screw it down onto your tire stem. Then you take your tire pressure sensor, again, just like you do on your RV, screw it onto your tires, and instantly it shows the tire pressure of your towed vehicle. And one thing that is good about the TireMinder system is that about every 10 seconds, the gauge changes from your RV to your towed vehicle and then back to your RV, so you keep constant monitoring of all the tire pressures on all the tires that you have on your vehicles at the same time. Once you get your sensor on there, you would want to just tighten up that nut. It comes, and the TireMinder does come with that nut and a locking wrench. Just slides onto it. Tighten it up. And that helps keep the sensor from slipping or coming off while going down the road and movement and everything. So it's a good idea to put those nuts on to lock them into place a little bit more secure. So now, after installing all of the tire pressure sensors on both the RV and your towed vehicle, this is what your monitoring system will look like, going from the RV to the towed vehicle about every 10 seconds to keep track of it all. Your TireMinder also keeps track of the temperature of your tires as well. And to do that, when you're in the monitoring stage of it all, if you push the center button once, it changes it from the temperature. It changes it to the temperature instead of the pressure, or you push it again and it goes right back to the pressure of your tires on each one. It's as simple as that. TireMinder also includes a suction bracket that you can mount on your dash. Very simple to put on. Slip it on. Slide it up. It's locked into place. And then to operate, it runs on a battery which should last 10-12 hours at least. Or you can plug it in to a USB outlet, or if you just had a cigarette lighter, you can plug it into the cigarette lighter. And that will keep you charged up the whole time, keep you safe on the road, monitoring your tires. If you don't have a tire pressure system, go out and get one. It would save a lot of headaches if your towed vehicle or your RV started leaking air or had a blowout and you didn't know it. So the TireMinder kit also includes an extra set of batteries for all of your sensors. And I think when you send in the registration, it puts you in to even receive another set. And they say you should change them out about once every year or so to make sure they're fresh and working up to full potential. We're not sponsored by TireMinder. We purchased this unit because we needed one for the RV, and all the reviews I've been reading on it have been excellent. And for me, I needed the simple to install. Some of them are a little more complicated, take a little bit more time in programming. TireMinder, the manual says you can install it in as little as 10 minutes, and I believe it. So if you don't have a tire pressure monitoring system, whether it's a TireMinder or not, You need to get one for your RV and be safe and enjoy the ride. Take your transmitter, screw it onto the cap, and don't drop it. Push the button one more time. It is going to my outside tire right now. Oops. And also when you're, okay, once you get all your sensors on all of your tires on your rig, you're going to want to hook up the TireMinder Rhino. Take two. The TireMinder kit also includes a set of extra batteries for your